Hello, welcome guys, welcome to this video and my YouTube channel, and welcome to this specific series of Canva. In this series I am teaching you everything that you need to learn for Canva. So in this video I'm gonna be explaining how you can make your invitation cards of your events, any functions, your marriages, or anything that you want to invite people onto. You can create the beautiful designs of your invitation cards in this. I'm gonna be teaching you. We will be making these on canva.com. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so the first of all, you people need to open Google, and now we are gonna write here canva.com, and I've just pressed enter, and here it is. The Canva is open. If you have not signed up for this, create an account. Otherwise I have already signed up for this, so there's no need. Okay, so now I'm going to type in here invitation. I just recently did, so it's here. You will be typing in invitation. Let me just do it in front of you. Invitation. And now here it came. You can see sizes are there, 14x14, and this landscape mode one, 7x5, the portrait one, and breakfast invitation. This is also square, so let's go with a square one right now. Okay, 14x14, it's standard. You can also go with this landscape. It's also, landscape is also useful. So here a square size is opened. Okay, so keep in mind the sizes which are there. Okay, whatever you need, go with that size. Okay, so let's just randomly choose someone. Okay, so now understand something, that this is free, this is also free, this is also free, but there are some which are paid, like these two. This is paid. You can see there is a dollar sign here as well and here as well. This dollar sign indicates that it is paid. Okay, and there are some premium as well. Okay, there will be crown sign also with them. Okay, so here this is also paid and this is free. So this is the basic difference between these. You can choose according to your niche, your topic. Okay, so let me just go with this one. Okay, so it's a marriage ceremony, let's hope. Okay, so let's open this. I think this is for marriage ceremony, and you know, the colors are really beautiful, the pink and the other things. Okay, so now it's open. You also get some designs over here. There are some templates, you can go with them if you want. Okay, so this is like for graduation ceremony and other as well. There are many designs. Okay, so no need to worry, and there are a lot of free ones. So wedding also available. You can open up any if you want. Bridal shower is also there, or anything. Okay, so I have just opened up. Let me teach you how you can customize this, how you can do things in it. Okay, so now to change anything in this, you only need to click it and change it. Okay, so let me just show you with this. Okay, if you want to change the color of this, let's double. I just clicked it once and it's opened. Here is the transparency, also called opacity. Okay, so this is the visibility of this. Okay, you can see as I am decreasing it, it is just fading away. As I am increasing, it's coming on the top. Okay, so this is opacity, transparency, that how much is this visible. If it is high, so it is fully visible. If it is low, so it is not visible. Okay, so on 0 it is not visible at all. On 100 it is maximum visibility. Okay, so let's go with 100. I want it to be visible. Click it on it once. You can also change position. Position also can be changed by dragging and dropping. Okay, so if you want things to go back onto original one, you can press Ctrl and Z. This is for undo. Okay, Ctrl Z. I pressed it 2 times because I dragged it 2 times. Okay, so it is on its original position. So let's click it onto this again. You can also flip it if you want. Flipping is available over here as well. You can flip it like this. You can rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise, anyway. Okay, so Ctrl Z again, and you can crop it if you want. And now comes the major part, that these 3 colors. It has 3 colors. You can change each of them separately. Okay, so I want this one color which is here in the flowers, I want this to change with the black. So let's click onto this. You can change it. Here is the black. Okay, you can also type in here the color blue or anything you want. If you want here red, you can type, and you can also paste the number of the color which maybe you have got from the Photoshop somewhere on the Google. You can get the number of the color that you want to put, and exact color you can also get here. So this is not difficult. So this black isn't looking that good. Okay, so let me just go back with this color. Okay, so let me just close it. Okay, so now you can change, if you want to change text, yeah, sure, you can do that. Click onto this, double click, and now you can change the font name. You can also change the spellings. You can, you can change the name. It's like Rosie, so let's put here other name like Rose, for example. Okay, so purpose is that you can change anything that you want. Okay, so you can also change its color. For changing color, select it, go into colors, and I want a black, so let's go with the black. Okay, so that you can see the color is changed here. You can change text, color, anything. If you want to make it bold, select it, make it bold. Okay, so one thing more, the bold is not available with all the fonts. Okay, with this font bold is not available, but with this one bold is maybe available. Okay, so one thing more here, that there are some fonts which are only in the premium. You need to buy them. Okay, so go with the free ones if you don't want to pay, and I suggest you should not pay because most of the templates are free. Even if you don't pay, it will get you made very beautiful designs. Okay, so here there are a lot of fonts available. You can choose according to your need. So here it is Bukhari script. Okay, so this is some Bukhari script, so let's choose it once. It's just loading, and you can see it's changed. It doesn't look that nice. Okay, so let me just go with the Control Z, undo this, and let me go with the again with Sacramento, and this is a beautiful one you can use in your events, cards, and other things. Okay, so always try to keep the fonts they already have put, because they have tried, they are professional graphic designers, they have seen and put something. Okay, they have tried it and put there something according to your design. Okay, so you can change colors, you can change text, anything. Okay, so here there is date. You must change the date and time. Okay, so let's for example put 6 p.m. Okay, not 6, 8 p.m. Okay, looking forward to people 8. Save the date, September 29, and now put here 2021. Okay, so I have put 2021, and location also you can change according to your need. Okay, select this all, increase size if you want. Okay, so this is how you can increase the size. Okay, so don't worry, and now come on to this, select this all, also increase its size. We are finally tying the knot, Rosie and Rafael. Save the date, September 29, 2021, 8 p.m. Okay, so any address that you have, and now select this all as well and increase the font if you want. Okay, so now this font is okay. Let me just change its color, this one, and it's very dull color, so I just changed it with the black, and let's see if it looks good. Okay, it looks good, it's amazing. Now it's beautiful. You can change some flower settings upside down, you can stretch and somewhere crop them if you want. Okay, so let me just Control Z. It's okay. So now that you have created this design, okay, and you have changed it according to your need, now you can download. Let's click on to download. Okay, so here there is option PDF print. the format they are suggesting us, because we have to make a sprint. Okay, so I suggest you not going with PNG, JPEGs, PDF. Go with the PDF print. It's a high quality multi-page document. You can go with this. If you don't want, you can go with PDF standard as well. PDF is a standard for printing. Okay, you can easily copy this PDF and give to some printing person. He can print it for you, or you can get the prints out from your printer as well at home if you want. Okay, you can do anything, but you have created a very beautiful looking design right now, which is in front of us. You can see this design, it's very beautiful. You can change it according to your needs. And now let's download. So click on download, PDF print as I suggested you. Okay, and now download. You can see it's being downloaded and there is an ad. Let's close this, and it's downloaded here. Let me just open it for you. Okay, so you can see it's opened. It's a PDF, and finally you can take this to market, get out a print, or if you want, you can also take the prints out at your home. Okay, this is totally customizable. You can change this according to your needs, and you can make anything related to these invitations in Canva. Any type of invitations you can see as well. So this was all from this lesson. This was all from this Canva, and I hope you like this video. If you do so, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave a comment that have you people understood, or if there is any problem, let me know in the comment section. I will be helping you out with that. Thank you very much for watching this video.